How to make money online. I am share new earn app. Okay, first time application, download now. Open Google Play Store, app link video description. Check my video description. First time open this app. Okay, terms and condition. App set. I'm just click on login option. Select your any Gmail account. Okay, automatically login your account, sign up or login, same process. Okay, my invitation code, use 1000 coins free. Okay, I'm use my friend referral code 1000 coins earning points earning. Okay, first time dig the coins option. I'm just click now. Okay, games playing now. This game I'm not understand. Okay, try again now. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel, and I am sharing new top earn app. Okay, and I'm just click now playtime options and allow access permissions, data access permission. Okay, survey. Okay, unlimited survey available 3000 coins, 813 coins earning. Just app download now and open 5 minutes. Okay, and back again now. Unlimited coins earning. Okay, and I am back again now. Your balance added, just time waiting. Okay, and unlimited survey available. Okay, unlimited. Okay, this earn app new release, Google Play Store new release earn app, 99% legit. Okay, next option, I'm just click on next survey offer. Well, okay, 20 minute, 18 minutes, and next I'm just click now third number options, your email and survey available. I'm back again now, and I'm just click now 4 number survey available. Okay, select and your puts in the answer. Okay, and 5 number option, I'm just click now survey available, my country not available. Try again now. Play games options, I am just click now games play and earn points unlimited. Okay, unlimited games available. Okay, and please subscribe my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel, and I'm just click now redeem options. 20,000 coins $2, 50,000 coins $5, and 10 1 lakh coins $10. My referral code use must be. Okay, one friend invite 100 coins free and 20% referral commission, and use my referral code 1000 coins free. Okay, all available terms and condition, your delete account and log out your account. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channels. Okay, this app 99% legit. Thank you.